Stay tuned for this easy and delicious recipe. Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. We're going to be making chicken alla Sorrentina. It should be called chicken alla caprese because it has mozzarella, basil, and tomatoes. Comes together quickly. A few little tricks to really get a great meal together. And one of the important things is to slice and pound your chicken. That guarantees that the chicken is nice and tender. So let's get started. We have organic chicken breast, if on sale, that's the best kind. Then we have fresh basil, some cloves of garlic, mozzarella, canned cherry tomatoes. You could also use the fresh ones, extra virgin olive oil, the flour to drench the chicken in, and the white wine. Before touching the chicken, get some salt and pepper right in your flour and just mix it right in. Now let's cut the chicken. Place your hand flat on the chicken breast, so you're not gonna cut yourself because you're gonna go all the way down. And you begin slicing like this. See, it's still too thick. And you see this part here is always the rough part. It needs to be pounded. So let's go ahead and also get another slice. So for each breast, I'm pretty much getting 3 slices. Parchment paper right on top of the chicken. Otherwise, once you start pounding, chaka chaka, all the liquid from the chicken flies everywhere, and that's a total stress. Those of you, I know, we all have to clean up after ourselves. So anyway, so here it goes. Let's pound the chicken nicely. Let's move the pounded chicken right in the flour and just leave it there till you finish up all the chicken. Let's get enough of the extra virgin olive oil. You could also use regular olive oil. Now, I'm going to keep an eye. You want to coat the bottom and a little bit more because don't forget, you need to saute the chicken. And so here it goes, right in. And I'm going to add the garlic whole because I will remove it. I added the garlic whole because we will remove it. Shake off the excess flour and just place it right in. Don't overburn, don't overcook the chicken because it cooks through quickly. So just una girata, una voltata, and take it out. Now, right here, I'm going to remove the garlic because it did its job. It released flavor. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. I could already taste it, and the aroma is just fabulous. Last 2 pieces are in. Go ahead and let's get them sauteed too. And then we're going to add all the chicken back in. Let's add all the chicken back in the saute pan. And look what we're going to do. We're going to do white wine right in. The cherry tomatoes in now. Lower your flame and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Go ahead, squeeze your tomatoes like this so they open up. If you're having the winter blues, just cook anything up with tomatoes and basil and you feel like you're in the middle of the summer. This is what I do with the basil. Line up all the leaves one inside the other. This really makes it for easy chopping. Just roll it up like this, okay? And chop, chop, chop away without dirtying a cutting board or anything. This is the easiest way. Let's add some salt. Be generous, bello saporito saporito. E poi un po' di pepe, some black pepper. You hear that p sound? In Napoletano, there's a word for it, and it's called the piano. Let's get the mozzarella sliced. There it goes. Go ahead and just place it all around. I love these kind of meals because they're also one-pot meals. Just a nice salad on the side or a little pasta on the side, and there you go. Lid right on and let the magic happen. Okay, here we are. Now, un altro po' di basilico, l'occhio vuole la sua parte. It needs to taste delicious, but look beautiful. So I have it all here already, all rolled up. This is a great technique, by the way. Get all these little filaments of basil. And now, like all my videos, the best part is when I get to taste it. No knife needed. It's so soft, so tender. Look at that. I'm just gonna take a nice little piece. Guardate la mozzarella che fila. Look at that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell button, the like button. You know what to do. Share the recipe, but most importantly, make it for your family and loved ones and friends. Everybody would truly appreciate it. And it's up to us to keep cooking together and carry on the traditions and the recipe. Grazie, alla prossima, arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.